all the way down these steps. We caught a boat so we could go to that other island.
Welcome to Crispy Life. Today, obviously we're still in Santorini, but we are going to go on a little boat trip, including this island right behind us and another island.
Small island right behind that.
Yeah.
The volcanic islands, you can see all the volcanic rock there. Apparently they've got a few craters on there as well.
Yeah.
So you've got to be careful because they're not active.
There's like hot springs and you can feel areas where there's hot lava heat coming out of. So yeah, it's going to be a learning experience for us. First we've got to trek down these steps.
Yeah, there's 587 if I'm correct. So we're going to walk down and maybe catch the cable car back up.
Yes, I think we'll need it.
So see you down there.
Let's go.
But it stands out because all the other walls are white. So
Yeah.
I don't know why they painted it blue. It's a lovely colour blue. It looks nice. Yes, that's the boat.
That's the boat?
Yeah.
Has it got an inside?
No.
That looks all open to me.
It's only 20 minutes across.
Is it?
Yeah.
That's a fast boat.
Where's the poo-poo? Oh, on the floor.
Yeah, that's a donkey poo-poo.
Yeah, the donkeys have been pooing. They don't use toilets, you see. No.
So, just got on the boat now.
Yeah. It took us about half an hour to walk down all of those steps.
Yeah, many steps.
And we took our time really. There was couples who went past us and they sped past us, like running down the steps. But we took our time.
Yeah, we made it here within time.
Yeah.
Say the boat leaves like bang on 11.
Yeah, couldn't be late.
No.
But we sat at the back of the boat, apparently at the front, even though it's undercover, the sides are all open and you can get really wet. So we're hoping that you can stay dry on the back, especially with a rain on the back.
Yeah.
Maybe I need to take them off. It'll be choppy to see out there today. Alyssa's looking a little bit ambivalent.
How are you feeling?
Tell me how you're feeling. Minutes to the top. We're going to pass 2 inactive craters. Oh, I can already feel the burn. It's only been 2 minutes. One really interesting thing from being on the tour and having a guide was the fact that she said that volcanic islands are a bit like icebergs. So I think this one is 127 metres high, but like 2,000 metres below sea level, which is really amazing.
I didn't even know that. I just thought it was just like all up top.
Yeah.
Yeah. Learn something new every day.
Yeah.
Yeah. Also, the islands of like Greece, it's sat pretty much on a tectonic plate.
But there hasn't been any recent volcanic activity on this island. Obviously there's volcanic activity here every day, but the last eruption was in 1970, I'm sure. It didn't cause any damage to the major islands. It was just a case of lava flowing from this side here.
We're good for now.
Yeah. Another interesting fact for you is Santorini is made up of various sites and islands. So I think it consists of 3 islands altogether. Yeah, that was once in a circular shape. So yeah, things have changed over time. We've made it back on the boat. So we've got back from the tour, we've gone and had lunch.
Yeah.
And now we're just walking around the town.
Yeah, strolling the streets in the early evening for sunset.
Yeah. Oh, we had a hot chocolate and a donut too.
Yes.
Obligatory hot chocolate because it got a bit windy up here.
Real windy and cold, so it was there's much needed. It was just nice just to sit there in the sun. Can't hear you. You're not gonna go get the cat? Where's it gone?
I don't know, Daddy.
Where's the cat gone?
Oh wait, it's come back.
Is the cat coming back?
Go and get it, please.
We've just been sat here enjoying sunset and a couple of drinks.
It's getting cold now though, but the views are absolutely stunning. Just sat here taking in the view, like trying to figure out how it was possible to build all those structures on the side of the mountain and make it look as beautiful as it does. It's amazing. And then with sunset as well. Can't get any better than this.
We've just made it back now. It is really cold outside.
It is. We've banged on the we put on the air conditioning as soon as we came in.
Yeah.
So it's nice and warm and toasty inside here now.
Yeah, definitely.
Yeah.
But anyway.
Anyway, we're off to bed as well. It's been a long day, but a really lovely day as well.
Yeah.
I hope you've enjoyed it. See you next time. Good night.
God bless.